The Philippines in the 1940s. Life after the war. Part 9. Post-World War II, Rizal Avenue. Market scene, late 1945. Manila in 1946. Post-war Chinatown, around Quiapo. In Divisoria, March 1945. The Manila City Hall, after the war. Tricycles in Manila, post-war. Post-World War II Quiapo Church. Farmacia Villalobos, post-World War II. A market square in northern Manila, post-war. Azcaraga and Rizal Avenue, post-World War II. Manila post-World War II scene. Fuel unloaded at Pier of Bataan is transferred to storage tanks, 1947. Manila Market, 1945. Street scene in Quiapo, 1946. Tanks at Ordnance Subdepot No. 1, Manila, 1946. Quezon Bridge, post-World War II. Times Theater and Stork Restaurant, post-war. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.